Hello children, here are the questions from geography, chapter 1, 3, 4, 5. These questions are very important, just 20 to 22 questions you have to prepare. Questions from chapter 6 and 7 already I have discussed in my previous videos. Here I want to discuss about other questions from chapter 1. In chapter 1, generally there are three parts. One is type of resources on different basis, classification on the basis of ownership, origin, status of development. You learn their name, their features. They may be asked as difference, may be asked their characteristics. So when you are learning, reading classification, I suppose on the basis of origin, biotic or abiotic, you may think that these questions may be asked for differences. So I have written question number 2, differentiate between different resources on different basis. After that is another important topic, importance of soil. If importance of soil is asked, importance of land is asked, it means how are they useful to us, how soil help us, how land help us. Students, due to our activities, human activities, many resources are getting disturbed. So it is told that resources are degraded or problems are created due to indiscriminate use of resources by human beings. So you also prepare this topic. What are the human activities responsible for land degradation? After that is here resource planning, very important topic. Stages of resource planning and why it is necessary. What are the causes of land degradation? How should we conserve them? What measures should be taken to prevent land degradation? Then comes to topic soil, different basis, soil classification on the basis of color, texture, etc. Especially difference between khadar soil, bangar soil, and features of regular soil, laterite soil, black soil, alluvial soil. You have to prepare. It is very important topic. Last question number 7. What do you mean by soil erosion? Different causes as of soil erosion. When you are studying causes, you also keep in mind what steps should be taken to prevent soil erosion. What measures should be carried out to control the soil erosion, but especially in hilly areas, in mountainous region. In chapter 3, there are generally here also mainly two parts. One is water scarcity, causes of water scarcity and why should we conserve, how should we conserve water. Then is dam and multi-purpose project, water dams, water multi-purpose projects. What are their advantages, disadvantages? Nowadays multi-purpose projects are opposed. So why? Because there are disadvantages of multi-purpose projects. So that is why it is opposed. Jawaharlal Nehru told multi-purpose project as temples of modern India. Why? Because due to advantages. So you have to keep it in mind, and map question may be asked from this chapter on this basis. Different types of rainwater harvesting methods, especially in Rajasthan, Gujarat, in mountainous region, and important terms. Then chapter 4, difference between, here in agriculture chapter, I would like to discuss, there are three main parts. One is type of farming, another is climatic or geographical conditions, and third part is reforms, land reforms taken place, farming reforms taken place in agriculture field in India. So under type of farming, difference between primitive subsistence farming, intensive subsistence farming may be asked as features, may be asked features of commercial farming, what are plantation farming, what is their advantages, that may be asked. So you have to prepare types of farming, Then climatic or geographical conditions of different crops, especially important crops, rice, wheat, sugarcane, tea, coffee, jute, cotton, rubber, etc. These are the major crops. Two beverage crops, that is tea and coffee. And you have sometime maybe asked millet, maybe pulses, etc. So you have to see this is jute is known as golden fiber, so that way it may be asked. Rabi season, Kharif season, difference between them, what is Zaid season may be asked. And the most important topic is technological institutional reforms. From this chapter it is last topic. मेरा अनुमान है कि निश्चित रूप से ये लास्ट ईयर भी क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था, टेक्नोलॉजिकल इंस्टीट्यूशनल रिफॉर्म्स। इसके एग्जांपल्स भी आप तैयार करें और इसमें से आपके क्वेश्चन ज़रूर आ जाएंगे। डिफ्रेंशिएट बिटवीन मिनरल्स एंड ores. What are minerals, what are ores, their features? What are conventional sources of energy or resources? What are non-conventional sources of energy or resources? Difference between ferrous and non-ferrous minerals. Major iron ore belts must be completed. Coal belts must be completed. Major iron ore mines. When you will study belts, automatically you will study about famous iron ore mines, coal belt, coal fields, important. Then different types of coal with carbon content, different types of iron with their iron content. That way you have to prepare the different types of coal and iron. Then is copper, aluminium, mica, bauxite. Where are they found? Major producing states, and what are their important uses? How is mining activities hazardous, harmful? What is the bad effect of mining may be asked. Why should we conserve mineral? Why minerals conservation is important? Why should we protect them? What are fossil fuels as coal, petroleum? So what is importance of petroleum? What is importance of coal? How are they useful to us? Then different types of non-conventional sources of energy, that is modern sources of energy, wind power, solar energy, biomass, so geothermal energy. So students, you prepare with patience, with confidence. You know 50%. Once again I want to say, you know 50% answer. Just concentrate. Already you are having lot of time now, 3, 4, 5 days time, and you have to revise all. These are only guess questions. I firmly believe your board exam questions may tally from here. Maybe language different, maybe expression difference, maybe some words different, but topics will be from these one only. So I hope you will be surely you will get advantage from this, and if you like this beneficial to you and you want more videos, educational videos on different things, you please subscribe this channel. You like it, give your comment, and your suggestions are most welcome. Thank you. All the best.